G'day folks, today in this video we're going to be taking a look at the UGreen portable power station for the Hero 5, 6, and Hero 7 Black. This is a 10,000 milliamp power bank, but it has the added bonus of having a built-in bay for charging GoPro batteries. I've reviewed a similar product in the past, however this one has the added bonus of supporting USB-C. So let's open it up and we'll take a closer look. So inside here we have a USB-C cable, one end USB-C, one end USB-A. We have one travel pouch, and we have the power bank here. So here's the power bank. Let me just put all this stuff aside. So initial impressions, this is actually a very nice looking power bank. It's got kind of a rubberized matte finish on it, and that's actually pretty nice. On the front here we have a USB-C port and we have a traditional USB-A port. So the USB-A port can be used to charge any kind of device such as smartphones. You can plug a GoPro directly into it, anything that supports USB charging. The USB-C port is for input only, and that's how you recharge the power bank. On the side here we have a button, and when we press it, it shows us how much power is in the power bank. On the other side is where the GoPro battery bay is, so we can just slide it and open it up, and that reveals a bay where we can plug in a GoPro battery and charge it on the go. And to charge our batteries, we just insert them in, close the door, and I don't know if you can see that there, but there's a little flashing light on the front. That means it's now charging the GoPro battery. That happens right away as soon as you plug it in. So just with the rubberized coating and the feel and build quality of it, I think it's going to be a nice durable charger. Something like this is handy. You can throw it in a backpack. You don't have to worry about bringing other chargers and cabling with you. Everything you need to keep your GoPro charged is right in this package. So this is compatible with the Hero 5 Black, Hero 6 Black, and the Hero 7 Black. And according to the manufacturer, you can charge 6 GoPro batteries with the amount of storage that's in this power bank. So yeah, I kind of found it to be an interesting product, so I wanted to share it. I'll leave the links down below where you can go and check it out further. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.